Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Anna and today I'm here to introduce you to an exciting new product called Quietum Plus. If you're eager to learn more about Quietum Plus and uncover the whole truth, stick around because I'll provide you with all the details and answer some questions that I think you guys might have. But before we dive into the specifics, I do want to point out that I will be touching on some crucial warnings about Quietum Plus, okay? Firstly, I want to mention that I've accessed the manufacturer's official website and I'll leave the link below this video. You'll find it as the first link in the description. Remember, this is the only place where you can get the real Quietum Plus. You see, many people are asking online about what Quietum Plus is, how it works, and whether it truly lives up to its claims. Quietum Plus is specifically formulated as a supplement to address hearing-related issues, including tinnitus. When taken consistently, this supplement claims not only to enhance cognitive processes, making them more efficient, but it also claims to aid in improving hearing, reducing stress, and fostering a healthy auditory environment. What sets Quietum Plus apart is its status as the leading supplement on the market right now, boasting potent natural ingredients with no reported side effects and straightforward benefits. Basically, this supplement is absorbed by the central nervous system and operates by enhancing hearing and rejuvenating brain cells, thereby improving auditory functions and mitigating the effects of hearing loss. See, Quietum Plus comes in easy-to-swallow capsules and is entirely natural, so it's safe for consumption and has no associated side effects. Also, it's FDA approved and GMP certified. The manufacturer actually recommends a treatment duration of at least 3 to 6 months for the best results, and with one capsule to be taken daily. Consistency is key as your body requires time to adapt and absorb the nutrients effectively. Another amazing thing about Quietum Plus is its money-back guarantee, providing reassurance to users. In the event that you're unsatisfied with the results, simply reach out to the support team to request a refund. It's actually that simple. So, if you're looking to restore your hearing in a natural and healthy way, give Quietum Plus a try. The link is below this video. Thank you guys, and I wish you have a fantastic day. Bye!